Let it all out. Let it all go. There you go. Oh
my God.
Should have felt that all the way down there, right?
Oh my God. Never felt like this before. Fuck. Oh, wow.
Yep.
I've cracked myself before, but
yep.
never like this. Oh my God.
Yeah, like I said, I know you do a lot of self-adjustment to the mid-back. As we get the neck and the low back, it'll all just start
just here and there just blew up.
Good.